Hey guys, look, there's a huge snowstorm. I can't stay out here for very long because I don't want the snow to go inside my camera. There's a person over there. Go inside my camera, guys, and ruin my camera. But yeah, there's a lot of snow out here. Ooh, the snow. It's -6, which is pretty warm, and the wind is at -14. Oh, there's my neighbor. What's he doing out there? Oh, I wish he would put on his hat. My neighbor. See, guys, it's a storm, so you can barely see across the street. See, there's a lot of snow everywhere. You can't really tell where the sidewalk is. Ooh, ooh, the wind, it's cold. It's very cold. Ooh, yoy. So this is what a snowstorm looks like in Toronto, guys. Snowstorm, snowstorm, snowstorm. Ooh, my camera's getting wet. My camera's getting wet. There goes another person over there. Running, running, hurry up. Bye, person. See the snow, guys? Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. I'm cold. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. See, there's the streetcar, guys. You can barely see it because of the snow. In other videos that I have filmed for you guys, standing here watching streetcars going into the barn to go get service, then you guys can see it, but because there's so much snow, you guys can barely see it. And if my mouth sounds all muffled, it's because I'm wearing my scarf. Here comes another person. They're coming from doing shopping. I don't know who they are. But everybody's in a hurry, guys, and I don't blame them. Oh. Oh boy. There he goes. Okay. I gotta go. It's cold, guys. I gotta go. Ooh. Oh, hi. I know. I can't believe it. Earlier it was just so warm and not like this. But oh well. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm gonna stop filming. My camera's getting all wet, so see you guys soon.